So your current CNC setup, what you got right now, um, what I know me and you have talked before, and you've talked about
Mhm.
upgrading what you have now. Can you go into what you have now and what you plan on, what you've looked at to go into?
Is my wife listening?
It
No,
don't matter.
Yeah,
she's
no
gonna see
problem.
it. Trust me.
They drug me into this too because they know they see mine in there. Matt, you got to watch Matt.
Joey gets in
I've been
trouble every
over.
week. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Mhm.
It doesn't matter that I am across the country or not. It's amazing what could be said over a phone. um, so I have the X carve right now. It was 1,000 millimeter by 1,000 millimeter. I call it Frankenstein or the PWN CNC because honestly, it doesn't resemble the X carve as much as it did when I first got it. There's a spindle on there. Every mod possible, for a few exceptions, is on there. I've been trying to pimp that thing out to make it go faster and deeper since I got it. Has it worked? Yeah, it does fairly well. There are some limitations with it. 3D carving, it does not like. And that's kind of my own fault. Having that spindle on there and that Z axis I have, it's a little too heavy for the motor. I need to up that motor and I'll stop losing steps or gaining steps. I gain steps, not lose them, which is weird. Yeah.
Wow.
So that's the problem, and that's what I have currently. And what I would like is, Onefinity. Everyone seems to be running toward the Onefinity side of things. They're great CNCs. I'm still shopping around though. I, there's the Avid. I would love to have an Avid.
Attaboy.
It's all about
You had it with
growth,
the
right?
Infinity. It's okay.
Get him in trouble. I usually shop around, and when I shop around, I usually know what I'm going to do.
Yeah.
And if you do that second or third one that you say is the one that's going to happen that you want.
So I've gone from Stepcraft to Avid to Infinity back to Avid. I've gone back and forth. Infinity is an easy answer. It would set me up. I could probably do what I need to do until I retire, until I get a bigger shop. But Avid, if I get that now, I could go ahead and do the add-ons, when I retire, get a bigger shop, and I already have the main. I just have to buy the extensions and stuff like that. And that hits on like different things I want to do, in the future. And that's some metalworking as well. So it's basically how much I can ask my wife I can spend and get away without her killing me. So that's what it comes down to. So
There you go.